Okay, so this is the bench test for my pump replacement for my Toyota MR2 Mk1. I didn't want to put it back into the car before I'd tested whether it does the job. This is the old pump. Not great at all. It's sat for 4 or 5 years, so the petrol's all well crystallised, gone off, and I think it's jammed the pump internals as well. I had just tried the same test with this pump connected and there was no response at all, so hopefully with this one we'll get a much better result. So I've replaced the pump, which is under there. I've refurbed the fuel sender gauge, which is under there. New gaskets to both. So what I've done is I've connected the pump power lead up to 2 crocodile clips, positive and the earth connection, and hopefully I'm just connecting those up to the car positive and earth should result in the pump springing into life. I've put about 2.5–3 litres of petrol in there, so there should be some in the tank now, and the fuel feed pipe, the one that would normally attach to the filter, I've got sitting in the top of the petrol can, so hopefully this will drain the tank, which will make it easier for me to put it back in, but also not leak out all over the floor. Okay, so let's have a go and see if we get a good pump noise. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I've got one end of this crocodile clip set up already connected, and when I connect the next one, which is this one, we should hear the pump spring into life. Okay. And yeah, I'm definitely hearing something. And more importantly, we are seeing some petrol come out of there, although I think it's quite low, so I'll disconnect that. I think I needed a little bit more than 2 litres in there. I think it's probably enough to fill the capture tray at the bottom of the pump, so I'll maybe put a bit more in and run that test again. But the great news is that my second-hand pump, which I'd sourced, does make a noise, so it looks like that works, so that's great news.